that?
Someone did it.
Garrett. Garrett. Is that good? No?
Hey, he's standing. What's that? Look. Putting his hand on. Yeah, look.
Garrett, is that apple good? Is that good? Garrett? Is that good?
See?
Is it good?
See how he's standing?
Is that good?
Heidi.
Don't eat the stem.
Boo!
Sheesh. Garrett. Mmm. Can I have it? Garrett, can I have it? What? What? Let me have a bite. Give me. I want it. Can I have it?
No, I want it.
And
And can you have an apple?
You can have your banana that you opened up this morning and then didn't eat it. It's in there on the table.
Braden?
Mama, is this dirty? I was not busy.
Why don't you throw that away and look on the table in there? There's your banana that's already peeled. We were watching Bolt this morning. She's like, Mommy, they're not supposed to talk. They're just supposed to say meow and woof woof.
Buddy.